that I have been to the extreme, yeah. So knock me off my feet, yeah, come on now and give it to me. Anything to make me feel alive. And is it enough to love? Is it enough to breathe? Somebody rip my heart out and leave me here to bleed. Is it enough to die? Somebody save my life. I'd rather be anything but ordinary, please. I'd rather be anything but ordinary, please. Let down your defenses, use no common sense. If you look, you will see that this world is a beautiful accident. Turbulent, succulent, opulent, permanent, no way. I wanna taste it, I don't wanna waste it away. And sometimes I get so weird, I even freak myself out, and I laugh myself to sleep. It's my lullaby.